Good afternoon. This is David Donaldson here, your regional tech trainer. Wanted to take a couple of minutes to start introducing you to some of the new applets and availability that is available to you under the team platform. So here I am, I'm logged in as you would be as a Rainmaker for your team. And at the top right hand side, you're going to see your name here. You now have two accounts. There's a personal account and a team account. And everybody on your team has a personal account and a team account. In this short video, I'm just going to talk to you about configuring your team account. So if you click the drop down here, you'll see that it's defaulted here to, set up under your personal account. Then you also have a team leader or Rainmaker account. I want you to go ahead and select your default, and you can do that by going to settings. You'll see that I have it set to the team account, and that's essentially what you would want to do. And you can do that by going into the account, and going into the settings, and we'll do that here at the top. So go to settings. Under general settings, there's a default account option. Now I want you to do this for you and your associates. I want you to go ahead and toggle this to regional tech team, or not in this case, tech team, but whatever your team is. And the reason you want to do this is because when agents start putting information into their platform, you want to make sure that they're working in the team account. You don't want them to be adding new contacts to their personal account and then have to be finding them versus trying to move them to the team account. You don't want them to be trying to create opportunities in a personal account when they should be in the team account. They're going to want to have access to tags, lead sources, your administration, your ability to have insight into whether that only happens if they're working in the team account. If they're doing work inside their personal account, think of it as a firewall. And it's personal. It's personal to them. It will not carry over to the team. So all team information, all team contacts, all team opportunities have to be done under the team account. So I do encourage everyone to set up this default for teams. Also, under your Rainmaker account, you'll see team management. So you should see everybody on your team. You also have permissions: standard, enhanced, and unlimited. Okay. If you're not sure what that means, essentially it's just all Rainmakers should have unlimited availability. Administration should be enhanced, and then every other user, basically buyers, agents, and whatnot, should have standard. And if you click on the permissions button here at the top, you'll get some definitions as to what that looks like. And then you can even go into a little bit more detail, look at the full permissions breakdown as to who has access to what. Essentially, it comes down to this. Anybody that's assigned or owns a contact can do the work necessary. That means edit the contact fields. That means create an opportunity. That means do everything they need to do. If I don't have access to that contact, then I can't create an opportunity. If I'm working in my personal account, then I can't create a team opportunity or assign it to administrative or TC or anybody else that needs to work in those roles. I'm going to do a couple more of these videos walking through everything, but I wanted to make sure that it was clear for step one that you know, hey, let's go ahead and get this default account situated up. You can always toggle between the two accounts. We'll talk a little bit more about migrating data between the two and why. And then these team permissions. Next thing, no, we're going to pause right there and I'll set up to the next video. Have a great day, and thanks for learning about how to set up your team account.